How to get rid of hobo spiders. Hobo spiders mostly found in the northwestern United States, especially the Pacific Northwest. Hobo spiders are a species of funnel web spiders that can live inside or outside your home. You've come across what you think might be a dreaded hobo spider hanging out in your house, and while hobo spiders might be widely misunderstood, all you want to do is keep them out. Hobo spiders move extremely fast, running upwards of 2.2 miles per hour. Despite its nickname, the aggressive house spider, a hobo spider will only move toward a human when it has been threatened. The truth is, hobo spiders aren't dangerous, their bites are actually 100% painless, and they're really scared of people. In any case, if you want your home spider-free, we've got you covered. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. How to get rid of hobo spiders. Number 1. Clean up common hiding places outside. Hobo spiders want places to hide, so keep a clean yard to deter them. Hobo spiders spin funnel webs near the ground, so trim your hedges, put your compost pile in a bin, and store any firewood as far away from your home as possible. Store bins, garbage cans, and other items away from the foundation of the building. This should minimize the odds a hobo spider wanders into your home. Hobo spiders aren't particularly good at climbing vertical surfaces, and they'll avoid doing so unless they have a really good reason. As a result, if a hobo spider is going to come into your home, it'll be near the foundation of the building. Keep that junction where the exterior walls meet the ground as clear as possible. Number 2. Mow your grass. These arachnids prefer tall grass, so mow your lawn regularly. Hobo spiders don't like to be seen, and they typically prefer to stay hidden when they move from one location to another. If you mow your lawn regularly, especially where the grass meets your foundation, your home will likely seem unattractive to any hobo spiders who happen to be hanging around. There are no concrete guidelines regarding the frequency you need to mow or the height you need the grass to be. Just aim to keep the grass less than 1.5 to 2 inches, 3.8 to 5.1 centimeters, tall, and hobo spiders shouldn't have much cover. Number 3. Trim your bushes and hedges. If you have bushy plants near the foundation, cut them back. Hobo spiders spin funnel webs, which look like sheets of webbing near the ground. They need a lot of surrounding material to build these webs, so if you have any big bushy plants or hedges near your home, a hobo spider might decide to call it home. Keep these plants well trimmed, and don't allow overgrowth to get out of hand. So long as you can see inside of the plants, you should be able to spot hobo spider webs relatively easily. Vines and ivy on your home can also provide a strong foundation for a hobo spider web, so remove those unless you're intentionally growing them out and don't mind inspecting them periodically. Number 4. Fill in gaps near the foundation of your home. If there are any cracks or openings, fill them in to keep spiders out. If you've got a chunk of vinyl siding missing, replace it. If there are any cracks or open seams in your foundation, fill them in with exterior silicone or urethane caulk. Hobo spiders like to hide, and if there's a juicy-looking crack for them to hide in, they may accidentally wander into your home. You can also use spray foam to fill in any irregular or asymmetrical openings that are kind of hard to reach. Number 5. Install door sweeps and weather stripping. Weatherproofing your exterior doors will keep wayward hobo spiders outside. Since they're such awful climbers, hobo spiders will come indoors near ground level. Attach door sweeps to the base of each exterior door to keep hobo spiders from sliding underneath them, and install weather stripping around the edges of the jambs if there are any gaps. This will dramatically minimize the odds that any hobo spiders come inside. A storm door should create an additional obstacle for any hobo spiders. If you don't have storm doors, it might be a good idea to get them. They're generally good to have if you want to minimize drafts and prevent leaks, anyway. Number 6. Use sticky traps near common entry points. Spider traps will capture any hobo spiders before they make it too far inside. Pick up some sticky bug traps from your local store and leave them out along baseboards, doorways, and other areas where you've seen a pest skittering along before. You can even set traps down around the legs of your bed frame if you're really concerned about hobo spiders getting too close to you while you sleep. This is probably unnecessary to do from December to May. Hobo spiders really aren't going to be interested in sticking around indoors during those months. Number 7. Vacuum your home regularly. Hobo spiders come indoors to find mates, but they stick around to find food. Keeping your floors clean will minimize the odds that a hobo spider hangs out for very long. They'll struggle to find food and move on to greener pastures elsewhere. Vacuum your floors regularly, and clean spills and crumbs up as soon as you can. How frequently you want to vacuum is entirely up to you. If you want to break the cleaning kit out every other day, go for it. So long as you don't leave crumbs and dead bugs all over the place for weeks at a time, you should be fine, though. If you're already in the habit of keeping a tidy home, this probably isn't anything you need to worry about. Number 8. Deep clean in the fall and early winter to remove eggs. If you have spotted a lone hobo spider, it may have left eggs behind. The odds of finding eggs in your home are highest in the fall and early winter. During these months, vacuum thoroughly under furniture and wipe down dusty areas carefully. Thoroughly clean hidden corners, and spend some extra time deep cleaning your basement. Discard the bags you fill with the contents of your cleaning escapades. This should capture any eggs left behind. You don't need to scrub under your couch every day or anything like that. Just try to thoroughly clean these hidden spots whenever you spot a hobo spider in, or near, your house. Try not to worry about this too much. Even if a hobo spider did lay eggs, you've got months to clean your home and get all of them. The spiderlings won't hatch until the spring. Number 9. Slide your bed away from the wall. From midsummer to late fall, turn your bed into an island. Pull it a few inches off of the wall and slide nightstands and tables away from your bed. Lift your sheets and bed skirt off of the floor. If the only things connecting your bed to the ground are the legs of your bed frame, the hobo spider is unlikely to bother you while you sleep. This is going to be most important from midsummer to late fall when juvenile hobo spiders reach sexual maturity and start looking for mates. Outside of these months, hobo spiders will be very unlikely to go anywhere near your bed. Number 10. Keep an eye out from midsummer to late fall. You probably don't need to be super concerned outside of August to October. Hobo spiders keep a tight schedule. Juvenile hobos come to adulthood usually around August, and start searching for a mate throughout the late summer and early fall. This is when a hobo spider is most likely to wander into your home. Outside of these months, the hobo spider is very unlikely to want anything to do with your home. Unless it's following prey indoors, it would rather hang out in its funnel web outside. The main concern with hobo spiders used to be their necrotic bite that would cause skin to decay and die. We've got good news for you on this front. There's no evidence hobo spider bites are dangerous. In fact, hobo spiders are now understood to be totally harmless for people. Number 11. Apply barrier insecticides around your home. A single insecticide barrier should keep you hobo spider free for 10 to 14 days. Pick up a preventative insecticide repellent. These products are often marketed as home defense sprays or barriers, but they'll all generally work the same way. Simply spray around the entirety of your home where the foundation meets the ground. Spiders should stay away for at least 10 days, and you can reapply the insecticide as needed. This could actually make spider problems worse in the future. The insecticides will keep hobo spiders out, but flying bugs won't be stopped from coming into your home. The surplus of prey bugs may attract more spiders in the future. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Hobo spiders cannot climb slick surfaces, drywall, vinyl siding, etc. If you've got smooth walls in your basement and first floor, and you happen to sleep on a second or third floor room, rest easy. You're very unlikely to run into a hobo spider. Warnings. 1. There is very little research out there on ultrasonic insect repellents and spiders, let alone hobo spiders, but these devices generally appear kind of ineffective. 2. There's a popular myth, especially around the Pacific Northwest where the hobo spider is common, that hedge apples, Osage oranges, or horse chestnuts will repel spiders and other insects. Unfortunately, there's no evidence this is the case. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce hobo spiders' infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.